Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from The New Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, let's see what we do today. Look who's back. The boss is back, so we're gonna do it as much as we can, as good as we can. So, I know we are a little bit late. We don't have much time to talk about many things right now, but I will be looking at PLTR shorts probably for the Open, but we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to be a little bit more patient here. Yeah, lady, how are you doing today, Marie? How were your vacation?
Good.
Did you do any spa?
No spa.
No, really.
No.
Are you kidding me?
So many birthdays. Grandson's birthday, husband's birthday. Visits from everywhere. Visitors. It was not.
That's good.
But it was fun.
That's
A little poop, but we're good. And you, how are you doing?
doing good here. As I told you, quite hard to survive without you here because very boring. So, but we did what we could do. So that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. So I think I'm probably gonna try Nvidia short instead of PLTR because PLTR is extended already. But yeah, do you have any trade for the Open or not?
Well, I was just looking, so we've got the top, actually, it's a top R vol, and it is the top volume, which is Snap. And, oh boy.
Yeah, I'm not touching that, sorry, but I see it there. That stock is very, it's being very erratic due to whatever you want to call it, but it's, I'm definitely not touching that one. So, I'm gonna look through for sure with you. But what are you looking at? Is a short for you? Is a long? What is it?
Well, there's two. So right now, because when we're looking at it, yeah, it's going to be opening soon. So let's look at the trade. But right now, it's reacting at the VWAP. I'm looking at long, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm looking at a short for PLTR. I probably won't get it. I'm sure now I won't get it. It's going without me. So I moved the order. Let's see if I get it. Nothing crazy here. I'm just trying to get 187.70. It's impossible. Things are really bleeding down. So let's see if Nvidia gonna do that. So I took Nvidia short. It's just I'm chasing it a bit, I know that. But I have a decent level, so. So if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna be all out right away, but I have no panic here. I just think that it is wanting to break that level. So we see a SPY in trouble already. So if Nvidia manifests, it's gonna be a good trade. But right now, I know I am playing a little bit of chicken here, and I'm okay with that. It's just according to my calculations, it shouldn't go higher. It should be totally okay right there. Did you took any snaps?
Yep, I've got Snap.
Snap
not
long?
moving much, yeah. Snap long. Not moving much, but now I'm looking at RGTI. And that could be very interesting. Where it is there for long. So, we'll see. So Snap is number one in volume, and Snap is number one in our vol. Snap is not moving. Okay, now we've got some players. I do not want it to pull back to the PCL. If not, I'm out. Mm-mm. Damn. I was looking at our GTI.
RGTI, I see. Okay, so this is a pretty bad trade for me on Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have conviction on it for sure, but like I let it go too far. So, and
And that's funny, I did the same thing here.
yeah, like it like even I see what he did there, and like even like that, it's just a smoky trade for whoever is wanting to go short. Like I guess in my opinion, is shaking out people, and like that's like I have to be careful with whatever I'm doing because like when I add, I remove the stop loss and then I say it's okay, it's gonna come down.
Mm-hmm.
That's not the right thing to do there, but as I say, I have conviction because this is a very crappy price action there for Nvidia, and like really, like, do you have anything to go higher? No, you shouldn't be going higher. So why you shouldn't be going higher? Because as the tape was convincing me that it was a long yesterday, today is convincing me that this is a short. So I took way too much heat on that, but you see it manifesting now. And like, let's wait for it. It's gonna. I think it's gonna go to crap. Like, just look around. Like, look at that SPY, for example. The SPY. Again, I'm looking at the wrong time frame on that chart, but it's just that chart's too small. Probably gonna have to remove the montage from there at some point. Yeah, somebody tried to explain to me who wants to push Nvidia that high at the open with the way that that thing is looking like, you know.
How big was the order?
I didn't see any big order.
No.
No. But like if you ask me what I'm seeing toward the downside, there is a lot of 600s and 400s toward the downside. So 600s, hundreds, 109, a lot of 10s, a lot of 20s. Yeah, like why is Nvidia not puking right now? You know. Well, I know it's the strongest one out of the like. If you see, if I took PLTR, but I didn't have the like I didn't have the yeah, PLTR now is a good short probably, but like we're gonna like if PLTR go above 189.90, which is quite far right now from there, that's gonna be interesting, you know. The more we talk about it, the more the mistake become evident. Like I'm trading against a major level of support for Nvidia, and I'm going short on it. Why I'm going short on it? Because I thought it was going to break it. That's the answer. That is the mistake I did initially, and then holding for too long. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now it wasn't as hard as it was. It went up like to 197.62, and now it's wanting to go again. It's like, I'm gonna follow the tape because the tape is saying that it shouldn't go higher. So I need to check the levels. Let's check the levels on NVDA. How is your snap doing? The snap is snapping?
Snap is not snapping, but it's looking like a Marie trade.
Okay. Zach is right there. What's up, Zach? Oui, allô? Ça va, ça va?
Bonjour, bonjour.
You are your own boss. As the lady here. No, as the lady here, you know?
He's trying to convince us,
Yeah.
Davey. Yeah, Davey's trying to convince us that we're the boss. He's funny. So do you,
I don't know if anyone want the shirt on PLTR, but that PLTR shirt is just beautiful there. 189.90, like.
So, do you have your Movember happening there, Zach?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, I like his sounds.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
I like that. Do you like that your guy has it too?
Yeah, sorry. I thought you were talking to you.
No. Talking to you.
To me, I like it. I just haven't seen you yet. Like I haven't seen any picture. If ever you wanna share, we will be happy to watch that, to see that. Yeah, that song came to this world to just damage our brains. Maria. So you have his snap. So snap.
Right now we've got a level at 8, and 8 is definitely a level of previous resistance, so it could definitely bounce from there. If it's passing 8, I'm
Yeah,
definitely out,
Yeah, like
and it
that's-
seems like it is going to pull back to that. So I de-risk to see
If ever we get a
I'm
punching
getting
bag in here, we're gonna get labels that you put
the ticket
like
on.
strips and you put the ticket on it, and you boom, you know, boom, because it's like, damn it, man, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Nvidia moved like $3, they almost like no $2 against me, and then it's like, oh yeah, now we wanna go down. Like it's like really. Even sometimes you have to put your own face, you know, because it's like for real. Like sometimes it's on you.
Wow.
Like that level in there is on me. Like I mean, like if you look at the short I took on Nvidia, I say like, why is it moving so much against me? Well, my guy, you are shorting the strongest level of support right now, and you are asking yourself, why is it moving $1.50 or $2 against you? You know, well. What do you expect to do from there, you know?
Well,
It's not Nvidia's fault, it's David's fault. Like in PLTI, it was a joke. It's just I didn't have those things to take it because it was at the pre-market here, and I say I don't want it. Now it's testing it, but like now it's holding higher. So like PLTR is the best short in my ideas.
mm-hmm.
But it's just I didn't have the cojones, if you want to call it that way, of taking it because
Oh.
when I saw it, the market wasn't open yet. and I say, you know what? I remember PLTR moving like $4 in here. I don't want to take this against me without having a stop loss in there, which is a self-preservation instinct, you know.
Yeah, our GTI right there looks real good for Marie trade. The issue is that.
Do we start with that today?
Oh, we could. Right now, it looks really good for that. The only thing that I don't like is that the RVOL is half. So that means that it can definitely move unpredictably. So, and there it goes. So that's the only.
This market is looking a little bit sketchy. I don't know if you guys have the same feeling.
Wow, our GTI is identical to SPY.
And like just like some of them is guidance for the news, like in general. Like I mean, Michael Burry, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name last name correctly, but the guy from the Big Short, from the 2008, is Michael Burry or Burry? Can you say that? Yeah.
Michael Burry.
Michael Burry. So he had big shorts everywhere. You know, he had big shorts in the market. He had big shorts on PLTR, on Nvidia, and you see in the news people saying like, "Oh yeah, now the market took a bearish sentiment because of this guy taking." Are you kidding me? Are you telling me that that guy alone is able to move the whole market? No, no, no. It's something that we all were already aware of.
Mm-hmm.
And now that like
You got a big
it's
kahuna
just a
talking.
clickbaiting for Marco Burry is having a big short. It's like everybody's gonna be looking at it because it's very famous. But yeah, like he alone, and with all the respect that he deserves, because I think that he's a brilliant trader too. Like, but like what I'm saying, like trader, investor. He's actually an investor, so like. But yeah, what I'm saying is like I don't think no one alone. Unless you are like BlackRock, probably. I don't think you are able to move the market alone. Like, not that much, you know, not for you to make the whole market pull back. I think that's exaggerated.
Think so?
Yeah. I'm very loud today, so I'm sorry about that, but
But DME was just one guy talking on Reddit.
That's what
yeah,
I talked to you
but
about.
that's what I'm
Right,
saying.
last week.
That's one stock. That I understand it. Like for example, he's short in Palantir. For sure, that makes sense. But like people like they were saying, the market is going down now that this guy is going down, but not because now he have it. He was going down because we know that we were extended. Like you have Morgan Stanley, like a bunch of them, like saying like, oh, the market can pull back 10%, 15%. That for sure. But we are not saying they move the market 10% down. It's a overall reaction. Like, how many firms do you have in there that start dumping? Like, well, they start dumping together because now they all agree that we are extended.
Just not to cut you, but Snap is a good merge setup. No?
Yeah, my
Marie
guy,
already has it.
feel free to call me out, interrupting whenever you want and whenever you need it. Maria and I had an idea this morning that we want to be calling out a very specific setup, whatever setup it is, but that is very clear that we can see on the tape and that we can see on the chart. And we want to say, like, our job is not to predict, but we want to see how far we were from reality by the end of the show, let's say. So right now, Marie, if you would like to take the floor, it's yours for Snap. So like, we are saying it's a Marie trade, right?
Well, you know what? I'd like to hear, like, I have it, and I see the levels, but like Zach, he does this without a tape.
So you want me to hide the tape from him?
No. I'd like to have Zach to talk about why did you say that this is a good Marie trade?
So, from what I see, there's a big move upside yesterday at the close. They announced something AI.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, I see. It's a big. Oh my God, this is a big push. I see.
In
Okay.
a 60 minutes, like a flag, right?
then it holds the view up this morning,
Mm-hmm.
then it breaks. Then it touched, like right now, like
The view up,
it
break.
moves it, but it touches the 5-minute 200 SMA, and it's holding it.
Oh my God, brilliant. By the penny, actually. By the penny. Anything else?
And it looks like they're selling the new move at the open, and that it's going to regain not all the profit, but maybe come back to like 880 or something.
I think Marie is impressed with you.
I am. I would like, when we're looking at the tape, Zach, so you're dead on. And when we're looking at the tape, the levels that you were saying at 880, it's very, very close to today pre-market high, right? Like it's pretty much dead on at 880. And it does have enough momentum to get there. But it also has enough momentum to actually go to the 9 and 920 that they're stacking happening there. So yes, Zach, really good. And what happens is that when it breaks, what it really is that when it becomes a Marie trade, it's when it breaks and it's not able to make a lower low. So when it's got a resistance there, like a support, a support level there, then it just goes pop. And when it goes pop, it has enough momentum to go through. So right now it's going through the VWAP. And we've got really big momentum for 850, which escapes the VWAP. But we're still under the 200 EMA.
There is a key element that I would like to mention if you guys like. I know Marie is looking at that, but I know that she's not calling it out because it's a normal thing. Like that for us that are tape readers, like it's something that she's just it's obvious for her. So you see here that you have 500, like at 852 you have 589 lot, and then at 9 you have 782, and then you go to the other tape and you have very healthy stacking at 850. And then you have very healthy stacking at 9. And you see that the space in between those two big orders is filled up with a lot of big, decent orders compared to what is on the bid. That is making the tape being very, very tilted toward the upside. Is that correct?
Perfectly said. So this is what I'm saying when I said earlier, there's enough orders between them to create the momentum. So that's exactly what that means.
We're gonna be all a mini Marie here.
Oh, you are hilarious.
I just learned from the best, so.
But that's exactly what it is.
Give me your tools and then I'm gonna use them against you, you know? Or in favor of you, it's okay.
But it is, and it's nice to see certain trade, like obviously we are calling this a Marie trade, but because Marie takes the
You
setup,
own it, you know? You own it.
I take the setup
You own
quite often. I've been taking the setup and reverse setup as well because it's the same thing. You're able to do the same thing to the short. But that being said, it's nice. I like your idea earlier of saying that, hey, we should be looking at expanding those more, whether that it is a pullback from, like it could be news, but it's a pullback underneath the VWAP supported by a certain level and then pierce it back up. We've identified it as such, but and then the VWAP trades that you were talking about, and right, there's blue sky, there's all kinds of.
But that's what I mean. Like basically, like we want to do every day to call out a level that for us is water clear or crystal clear. I don't know how you call that thing.
Crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Yeah.
That's
so
what we say.
like
Crystal clear.
once we got that identified, like you identified the snap, Marie confirmed it, and we all talk about that, and we agree. Like, do I think that the snap is a short? No. Does Zach think that snap is a short? No. Does Marie think that snap is a short? No. So that thing. If we are the three of us wrong, we're gonna get killed together. So, well, I don't have the trade, you know, but like,
yeah, I took the trade as soon as it opens.
At some point, we are going to, you know. I just like look at Nvidia like, haha, you were so wrong, my guy, you know. But like I mean I know I did imprudency on Nvidia, and that's okay. Like
Yeah.
yeah, I did for sure some imprudency on Nvidia. Like this trade, I am not super proud of it because I misbehaved, but we are trying to grow up certain things to be able to hold those trades a little bit better. So, Zach, we were talking this morning. We're gonna slightly start pushing the channel a bit because it's your fault and it's Marie's fault too. So I shouldn't have to say too much in here because it's like you guys let me alone. So I get bored to death here, but so
We love you too, Davey.
we're gonna start little by little growing the channel. Like I purposefully say we don't like well Maria and I purposefully say we don't want to grow the channel. We don't want people talking in here for now because we have a lot of things to do. But that thing is gonna change and you will notice it right away because like yeah. But yeah, so we're just gonna.
You know how it is, Zach. When the boss focuses on something,
Ha ha ha!
Things get done.
Oh, you are funny. But I love you too, so it's okay.
Today I wanted to trade with real money, but it is another error. So,
Ay ay ay.
oh no.
like, it says that I need 2,500 in CAD or other equivalent in other currency,
Mhm.
and I have like 2,700 in CAD.
Mhm. Did you make recently, like yesterday?
No, it was
Okay,
last week.
we're gonna have to be careful here.
Okay.
A super big pull from the market, so if you're in the short, woo woo.
Yeah, I am in the short.
Okay.
It's just like I don't have a lot of hope for my short, like, but it's working. So we're gonna see like I have a problem when people say you cannot do that because then I purposefully try to do that. So
Okay.
I'm wrong on the spot.
and that comes from Zach telling me, oh, normally you cannot take beginning to end. Like he didn't say that to me personally. He said that like traders do say that thing. It's better just to catch up little small movement here and there. But this week, in most of the trades, I took from bottom to top or from top to bottom, and it's just exercising that muscle there because it's very annoying to hold a trade for such a long time.
Oh.
And that's why I was
because
really
it
boring
goes
yesterday. Like it
through
was.
periods of consolidation. It goes through periods of slow pullback, and
But something I'm learning from that, Marie, and like this is hard to understand, like for myself, is that like, and I mentioned this item like maybe 2 weeks ago, like in the books of trading, like in some books, like I think this one is from Mike Bellafury. They say if you take a loan and you are sure that this is a loan, like you have conviction in this trade, and you went with 1,000 share. If you get a stop out and the trade go even lower, and you are still right, you should go with more share sizes. So I kind of don't feel comfortable doing that because like
Okay.
I am not at that level. Let's be clear, like I don't know how to handle that correctly. But what I have been seeing by holding trades for longer and longer, because I am paying attention to the trade because I am holding it, is that once like the damage that is put in one level is something that reflects in the next level. Like for example,
Correct.
if he's supposed to hold like X price and he go lower by like another dollar, let's say, it's very hard for the stock at the other dollar to be down another whole dollar because of the buying power that came in. Like that buying power reduced a lot of the selling pressure, or the selling power reduced a lot of the buying
Buying
pressure.
pressure.
Because the shares that got liquidated there got liquidated yes or yes, so they just got liquidated. So, but like yeah, that feeling in there is very interesting. But like, yeah, so let's put that like into that Nvidia. Like I haven't like it's what's crazy like. What is it? Nvidia right here. Ay. Okay, Nvidia.
Incredible pullback from SPY.
That's gonna go to 190 probably. Take it with a big grain of salt, but Nvidia, it looks like if it wants to go to 190. I'm not sure about that. My guy, how is school treating you?
Right now it's kind of soft, so
It's tough.
it's soft.
Oh,
Soft.
soft.
Hey, no bad, huh? But it's the first week too, you know.
Yeah, it's coming through. It's coming through.
Hmm.
Whoa. Oh. Did you see that? That who was J.P. Morgan or Morgan Stanley? That they refused the payout for Elon Musk.
Oh,
Yeah, they say
didn't hear
they say
that.
they strongly disagree and like.
really? Oi, I didn't hear that.
Which I can understand that for sure. Like I mean, yeah, why does Elon Musk want more money? You know.
Wow. That's huge.
I know many people gonna hate me for saying that, but it's just like he have to have a clear. There we go. That's what we are talking about. Go down, Nvidia. Go down. Look at that tape accelerating, man. You know, like sorry, I got too excited. That was good.
Not at all.
That was freaking good. You didn't see the order on the tape there, but that order got crushed. What was the the print by the penny? The quality of the bounce, but like there is no 1 minute. The candle has still 5 more seconds, and then we're gonna print 193 one more time. And if I am trading like Marie, you have how many? Okay, now
45 seconds.
yeah, 45 seconds to print 93 one more time.
Yeah.
Or below 93, and there we go. 93 being tested. You are not big enough. 93, you are not big enough. It's simple. It's quite simple right there. You're gonna get crushed. There we go. 11 cents, like. Oh my gosh. Look at her badge. I'm doing bad jokes, it's okay.
And this is the best joke.
Okay, it was a bad joke for Zach. It was a bad joke for Zach.
Oh my god, Nvidia. Too fast. Too furious. Flush it, look at that flush. Look at that beautiful flush. Oh my god, like, are you kidding me?
Here comes the money, money, money.
Yalla, yalla.
Good job.
And you know, like, David, why you didn't take the trade on PLTR? Because I didn't have big cojones, I say. And look at that. Beep. Look at that thing. PLTR went down $7, $9? Oh my gosh.
SPY. Like that's huge for SPY.
Hey, you can press so much the glass until you break it, you know? Like that
No.
that's the reflection of that thing, you know? Like I mean, like you know who has the best answer for sure now probably?
Whew.
Zach. About like if I ask Zach where do you think that this thing is gonna not necessarily reverse, and I don't mean to put you in the spot or anything, like if you don't wanna say it, don't say anything about it, but like I think you are very good at identifying where this market can ease a bit the flush.
Yeah, he trades SPY, right?
Knowing
He
that
trades
it's with very heavy bad, like something bad is in the background for sure, like bad news probably somewhere that we don't see.
On SPY, I see 71 could be the
Okay, I'm gonna go with you there. So let's see. What did you say for a SPY?
671,
671. Okay.
around 695.
At what price do you want me to put the line precisely?
But it's a range, so
Okay.
between 670, 88,
Okay.
to 669, 59.
So do we go 670, 50?
671.
And 670, 669.
671.70 is big and 671.40 is big. So that could be a range of what Zach's talking about, the pup. Good coffee, Davey.
Thank you, Marie.
I'm long on the snap.
Yeah, let's go back to look at Snap. If you see the market flushing like that and Snap is like, yeah, it's not with me. Well, whatever is going on in there, I have nothing to see with that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so funny.
I don't want to participate to that, right? So I really like the fact. So there's two, like right now we've got a second confirmation where when it does pull back after crossing the VWAP, after crossing the 50, it does not make a lower low. So it actually created very shortly a little consolidation there at the pullback of 825, but then when it recrosses the VWAP, it does it with now determination. So we're expecting here, it's got 45 seconds to make a higher high, and it should be able to make it, which is going to be 850.
So if you see all the markets doing a Marie setup,
Oh, yeah.
Now, whoa, lo. Whoa, lo.
Oh, Spy's too far from there, my guy, probably.
look at the LTR too.
Okay,
Yeah, the
so
same.
we've got
They are too far.
12 seconds and it printed 850. We are going to the moon.
Like, look how a Snap it
Me gusta.
attempt to test the VWAP at the open, but like, yeah. Summary.
How are you? ¿Cómo
Any good
estás?
story? I'm doing
¿Cómo
good.
estás?
Doing good, doing good.
No, hey, I've got, there's no way that I'm going to be participating to the good story when we've got the expert,
The expert for what?
the good stories. We've got you and Zach. Come on, man.
Well, Zach, I agree. Zach is the expert for sure. Me?
Yeah, you got the voices. Okay.
downside on SPY?
Yes.
Let me check that. I'd like to see. I'm gonna compare the levels.
I can give you my opinion on it.
I think he asked for it. Oh,
So-
Ionic, yeah, that's a good Marie trade too.
We're gonna be as gentle as we can. Yeah, we broke a major level on SPY right now. So we gonna, like, if I have to predict anything, which I am kind of not doing that, I have 669.16.
But like, it broke it the aftermarket 2 days ago, and it's bouncing from there.
Yeah, but like what happened is that it's related to 669.08. So I'm gonna put my line there just to make sure. So SPY, this is where I think SPY is gonna reverse, if ever.
It would have to have more momentum because right now the tape does not reflect that low.
Yeah, 669.08 is the price I have.
No, 670.
So I just gonna place it there.
No, 671. The levels are still the same.
You guys got good memory, right?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm gonna put my name on that one. So I'm gonna put Davey there, Zach here. So
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I heard you say that the Ionic is a good first trade.
Yeah, I was looking at it quickly, but then I switched to SPY. So let me look at that because we know Ionic can move, right? So
But I
I
don't
was-
like it reverse from the 200
yeah,
EMA.
exactly.
Says.
Yeah, that it pulled back, and when we're looking at it, it seems like it's doing like lower highs. So lower highs, but higher lows.
Higher lows.
So we're looking at it seems like a
Right.
bull, yeah, it could be a bull flag here. So when we're looking at major levels, I'm sure you got those too, is 5240 seems to be a very, very good resistance at 5240, but I doubt it's going to pull back. When we're looking at the signals, it seems like a bull flag. So there's definitely more to the upside. So when we're looking at the possible, it seems to be there's a really, really big order, Usually they don't show their numbers that much at 58.25.
which one was that one?
Ionic.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
So-
okay. That one looks like a summary trade to me.
Mm-hmm.
With the difference that it have been holding too long pre-market during below the VWAP, so they maybe that make it less attractive.
Yeah, Ionic does. That's why I was saying that. Just Ionic is really good. It is trading, so it's our vol. It is trading above what it usually trades in volume, so that could be very, very interesting in Ionic. Right now, I'm gonna stay in with my Snap. It's working well. So now. Yeah, so Snap right now needs to be able to cross the 850, where the next level will be the 880s. So we'll see how it does. I did take a partial there, so what's that?
Just a remote. Just
There we go.
Marie, right now, Zach and I have a price and a name on the chart for SPY. Would you like to put yours too? So, like for example, Zach, me is at 669.08.
Okay.
I know it says 07, but it's 08. And Zach is at 670.51. Zach, let me know if you want me to move it because I gauge it from the prices you gave me. But like I
670.51 for Zach?
670.50. 51, yeah, for Zach.
It's in my range.
So and mine is at 669.07.
Okay, let me give you mine. So mine is going to be, I'm looking at the 60, and then I'm going to look at that. So what is that right there? Oh yeah, no. Now let's look at the tape.
Yeah, that's the right press through.
Okay. Haha, I gauge it.
No. So mine would be.
Yeah, say yours. We have the line there. He actually said the lines has our number, our names. Hey, why did you put you and Marie, you guys hacking not in capital letter? Fix that, my guy. Fix that. Equality here, you know?
Mhm.
There we go.
I missed the short flag.
Jump on it like that. Just put something in there. Put the stop loss, whatever you wanna hang it out, and just jump on it. I'm kidding. I won't be able to say those bad things when we have more people.
So get it out of your system.
Nah, I'm gonna be myself anyway, so it's okay.
How are you planning to grow the channel?
I'm gonna mute the channel. Just give me a second. All right, we are back. So yeah, right now SPY is almost interacting with the Marie's price prediction here. Like yeah, we call it somewhere else, but like you see, Marie here is at 671.40. We are just 20 cents from there, and this is looking beautiful. I should be all out of Nvidia right now, but instead of being all out, I'm just gonna cash like half of it. Come on, Nvidia, do another push. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Marie, how is your trade doing?
It's pulled back right now, but it's maintaining the anchor well. But
You're still on Snap, right?
yeah.
Zach, you haven't been SPY yet, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Quite short. 3 hours profit.
Go for it.
I'm gonna send you a picture of my mustache.
Thank you.
Wow, what a red map, eh?
My mustache is bigger than yours.
Oh yeah?
I've been growing it for a while. Like, a week. Not a while.
Very nice. Very nice.
Did you send a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
It's a bit long.
A bit blonde, yeah, you know, a bit blonde.
I'm sure it's blonde and strawberry blonde.
Yeah, that's kind of.
A reddish tinge.
Mhm.
I didn't see it, but I'm sure that's what we see.
My guy Aurora is tanking for.
Yeah, I saw that yesterday. Like I was at 450, I think.
It's at 4:30 now.
Oh my gosh. Hey, my guy is very sexy. Look at that.
Oh, look at you with the stash. Looking good back. I
You-
like it.
You are losing weight, my guys, right?
That's how much.
No, like
I don't have any weight to lose.
I was going to say, did he gain weight? Like,
but that's a school effect, you know? Like, I remember sometimes they squeeze you very hard, like, I mean, when you have those exams.
I always go around 165, 170, 160 maybe. Like when I do a summer, like my summer job,
Mm-hmm.
I lose a bit and I regain during the winter. That is losing you up.
Well, right now, Marie was right by the penny on SPY. So we're gonna have to let it press a bit more, let's see. No, because it's not looking like if it's gonna hold, but like right now it bounced by the penny. It's funny, like I always have the farthest price. You know that talk a lot about. Sorry,
What's your price?
my price is 669.07. Right here. 669.07. I might be wrong, but I think the reason why I say that price, if I want to elaborate a bit more, okay, Marie is right now being like that. That's went below a little bit too much below Marie's price probably. So the reason why I guesstimate that price is because I have been trading the whole week. So it's an accumulation of the market is feeling like fear based right now. So my 2 cents say if we are trading in a fear-based market right now, we're gonna have to wait for the strongest interaction from previous price action. So like the strongest interaction, when we look at the levels, my guy, that you gave us, like this is instead of being very, very, very low volume, this is a very, very, very high volume at the price I say it. So instead of picking the one with less volume, I picked the one with the highest amount of volume. And the reason why...
The penny on my range, sorry.
Sorry? Yeah. Like very close.
Like 670, 90. 70, 88.
Yeah, by the penny.
Let's see if it's gonna go.
So why did I pick that level instead of a range that is low volume? Because what we need here is no volume to bounce back up. It's stopping. It's called breaking volume or stopping. Like I have to check back in the Anna Cooling the description of that. But it's a volume that doesn't make it reverse. You just make it stop there. Like you just make it like go a little bit flat in there or sideways.
We're gonna get stepped out on snap soon. Okay, the spike trade was big.
Yeah, like that's a big trade, my guy. You kidding me? You have that from the VWAP.
Yes, you up plus my range. Plus almost like 675.
I guess that you two, little by little, you're gonna be doing that because, for example, Maria and I, first we visually like can see the level on the tape, on the chart, and then we go and see, okay, is there a size on the tape? And if there's a size on the tape, it has more value for us.
It's a reinforced level.
It's a reinforced level. Well, you remember the double shield level that we were talking about? Like there are levels that we call double shield, and it's because they have double orders at like
There's either
maybe
front
a cent or
runner
2 cents away. Yeah, front runner or back runner.
Exactly.
Front runner is yeah.
I do the same with my level and like VWAP for a big price. So that's there's three things at that price that was blocking it. Level, VWAP, and 675.
Pretty nice stuff.
Like it broke 675, but
Nvidia is looking very. I'm breaking even on that trade anyways, but I'm gonna take the partial right now. We're gonna get flushy there. Flushy. There we go.
it's a good trade for you.
Yeah, sorry, I just didn't want to regret that, but like I took the. I know now it's gonna flush even more.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Man, this feels so good.
You took it from last price?
I took it at 196 was my last ad. And I have partial
Right when
twice.
you bounce on VWAP?
Yes, like I can show you now. Oh, there's SPY is looking a little bit bullish now, so. Yeah, at 96.01 I add, but my original entry was 195.50. So
That's the thought of stuff.
it's just about $7 down. Snap, okay. So snap. But like we are saying that, you know, like, and you see like, oh, you like, let's say, and this is why we have to assume that we know nothing. Look at PLTR. PLTR sell off from 191 to 180. $11 down. And that was there. I saw that. It's just I didn't have the cojones to take it as you want to say it. I don't know if that's a bad word or not in English. I prefer to not say too many bad words, but like Like, I really didn't feel brave enough to take the LTR, and that's a mistake.
Wow. Did you see AMD?
I will say it's about $20 down. I don't want to. I haven't seen it, but based in the share structure, based in the type of company it is, based in all those things, I think it's about $20 down. Let's see.
A bit less.
Yeah, just a bit less. Yeah, like it open. Let's see, AMD open. Let's see from.
253.50.
Yeah, okay, it's $15.
Very close.
$15 down.
Oh, very close, David.
And it goes by, that's my brain.
I'm debating here if I should reload or not this trade. Because SPY still have a lot to go down. If ever it's gonna keep going down, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, I only have until 670.50 go down.
Ay, ay, ay.
But my reverse from just touching 671.
So I have an order to add to Nvidia. Let's see if he wants to do that. Come on, push it back up. Push it back up. I know you can do better than that, my guy. You can do better.
I should have
I did reload.
reversed. I don't think SPY will go lower.
Let me look at SPY actually. Like,
Mm-hmm.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Hey, good job.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
So for if you talk about swing trading
Yeah, yeah.
at 415, like it should be stuck between 415 and 450. I
Okay.
think it's gonna reverse from 415. Because I have a big range.
Okay.
12-month range.
Does 420 mean something to you?
It's a bit higher than my range, but
Okay.
would it be a good idea to like, I know I want to hold it for long term,
Mm-hmm.
to buy more, to sell at soon? Like let's say I buy more at 415. Like that.
What is your like? You had it because like
Average is 5.20.
okay, yeah, like probably to look at the overall market because I think the pullback across is more related to overall market. What I'm saying here, I can see a SPY going like, and you can track the three major like Dow, Nasdaq, and SPY. If they are not at the 20 moving average in the daily or the 50, they might be very close. And like are they gonna be able to test even lower, like 200s? There is a high chance for that. And like instead of me talking like that, let's just go and look at it. So when we say a SPY here, we don't have the 50. Actually, I have it in some other. Yeah, like look how far we are from the 200. Like, so if you think that the market is gonna pull back, like let's say if I look at the 50 here, I'm gonna try to look at the 50 for a SPY. All right, so we are below the 50 on a SPY. No, we are not below the 50. We are testing the 50. Today we touched the 50 on the SPY.
The 50 what?
The 50 moving average in a daily chart. We touched it just today.
That's what price.
That price is, oh no, we didn't touch it. But we are very close to touch it. It's like, I have too many lines. I will have to erase my line. Let's see. But the price I see is 669.97. 669.97 is the 50 moving average in the daily chart.
And that's a SMA or
That's,
EMA.
that's the problem. Let's wait. Like I'm gonna do it correctly. Let's just go somewhere else. I just don't wanna mess up my day trading setup. I'm just gonna go in another app. So let's look at it correctly, because that's what I mean. It might be a major pullback. Like when I say major, it doesn't hurt the fundamental of anything. It's just like pullbacks are pullbacks, and they will happen here and there. So, but SPY. So we're gonna go and look at each one of them. So what I'm saying is like you go and look at the indexes, and you say, where do I think that the index is gonna go? And once you are convinced that the index is gonna reverse, then you can add to your Aurora. Because this pullback in Aurora, in my opinion, have nothing to see with the Aurora company itself. It has
Okay.
more to see with the overall market conditions. But I think to add at a point that you consider like good enough, it definitely makes sense.
Long term, for sure, it's good.
Like the 450 or the 415, sorry.
15,
Yeah. Yeah, it's Davey. Snap.
I'm being snapped by Snap.
Like the only thing I will say about your snap is like just the fact that that thing is not selling off yet is pretty cool. But like I'm pretty sure you are aware that the market is not conductive too long right now.
Absolutely.
So
I don't know why. Just when you said that.
yeah,
Do it?
it's long as fine.
Oh, 5.
It's good, man. We are here to contradict each other, you know? That's good. So,
If I believe in my price for real, what more can I do? Let everybody know.
like, this is gonna sound like a cliche, but like, it's true. It's what it is. Sometimes Maria and I trade the same stock, but she's long and I'm short, and we still both make money.
Yep, because of the price we've got.
So, the reason why it sounds like a cliche is because I know many people. I have read that line in books where he's saying,
I've heard it a lot.
okay, Yahoo Finance changed this thing a lot. How do I add indicators to this?
What was my price? 50? 70?
Yeah, 7050, the one that is about to touch. Oh my god. The comparison indicator. There we go.
Added. Because I have the level and it's respecting it like really good.
Okay. You are long?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Big coolness.
You took the words out of my mouth. Alright, so and then we go daily chart. Alright, so now we are not at the 50 moving average. Like the one I was looking at it was a exponential. So we are at the exponential, but the actual moving average for the 50 like the 50 moving average for SPY daily is 664 with 73 cents. So that thing, the last time it got tested, it was October 10. October 10, the market went to the moving average and it bounced strongly, and now it's willing to retest it again. The 200 moving average for that guy is at 610 with 99 cents. So when we check Nasdaq, yeah, it's a copy paste. It's the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's the space is almost the same. So Nasdaq right now is trading at 23,000 with $135 with 96 cents, and the moving average is at 22,000. So let's check Dow. So I cannot drag the chart here because it looks weird. It actually interrupt the transmission of that chart, but. Like actually, Marie, you can see it. Like you see what I mean. Like this is the line, the red line here. That
Oh
needs to
yeah,
be
yeah.
tested.
Mm-hmm.
So this is that's Nasdaq, and now I'm gonna show you SPY. If you see, yeah, this is SPY. You
See.
We are clearly moving toward there, and then I show you Dow.
Mm.
Oh yeah, Dow is. What's going on with Dow?
Quite a different chart.
Oh, that's Dow Inc. Okay. Is this one, the one Dow Jones Industrial, the one that we are looking for? It's not there. Yeah, there we go.
Same.
Yeah, you see the same thing. So yeah, can we keep going down? For sure. Does it mean it's gonna happen today? I don't think so.
I have my full position on 5.
Look at you. Unfortunately, like equities are not looking that bullish right now. So right now, Zach is winning on the level here because he was the one that was the closest.
Yep.
But let's see. This day still have a lot to offer. It's funny because my friends, they did very good going long in the Asian session. Like now we are
In the what session?
China session, Asian,
Mm.
like those guys. I'm sleeping and they are trading. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, there we go.
So So they trade during the night?
Yeah, yeah, they wake up and they trade.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fascinating.
Hey, they are doing good in general, but like yeah,
My guy, is 5 road break the 72? I'm going to Cuba.
hey, DR first, DR first. Yeah. In the long term, you have a pending trip in there with me, you know.
My parents are in Cuba right now.
Hmm.
Gwen.
How long?
A week.
Nice.
They used to do like 10 days. This year they're gonna do 2 travels of 1 week.
Yeah, your parents travel a lot. Like I remember when I was when we were working together, they were going to one of those islands. I don't remember exactly the name.
Bahamas?
Bora Bora.
No. Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't know the name.
Which is pretty cool, you know.
5. Yeah, I did something kind of strange. I moved my stop loss to break even because I don't want to risk anything. And I'll go back in lower.
Look at you. Yeah, I know they are trying hard to hold. Like doesn't look like.
Hold out. That's pretty good.
Ay, ay, ay. Maria, talk to us.
Well, right now I'm looking at Snap. Like I said, being snap by snap. When I'm looking at the level that it's there, which was a pullback, pre-market and post-market, pullback this morning, and it seems to consolidate. The tape doesn't seem to have any kind of force to make it past 8.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm kind of de-risking and bettering my price so that when it does pop at 8, it should be a really sweet deal. 8 does seem to be quite a good level. It was a really strong resistance level last week. And when we're looking at how much it popped today, there's nothing on the tape saying that it would pull back to the PCL, but then again, tape can flip, right? So right now I'm taking a good look at it because once the momentum is started,
But
805 and 8 seems to be quite big. We'll see.
I didn't mean to interrupt you, but like, could you comment on the difference between how the tape is looking like right now and how the tape was looking like when we were all talking about this and I mentioned it and I even showed the size here? Like look at the 850 here. How many sizes did we have before? Hundreds of like 500, 400. Now it's 150. And in between a bunch of 5 small numbers.
Mm-hmm. So now where is the
9 is still 800.
Where's the 500 now?
The 500 now is not there.
Yes, it is. And to the offer?
Like Like
Where's the
because
500?
we have 500 on iNet before.
Arca, look at Arca. Where's the 500 to the offer?
Yeah, in Arca, yes, at 805. Yeah, but that's
No,
what
offer.
I don't have it.
Okay.
Like
870.
everybody's looking now right here.
So 860, 870, 860, 865, and 870.
Okay, so at 860, I have 111,
Okay.
and at 865 on Arca, I have 151. And
Okay, and
if
what
I go
about-
to iNet,
And do you have 870?
870 with two lot,
No.
two single lot.
I've got 5. Okay, so 870 for me, I've got 502.
Yeah, if I put it together, I have literally 5 lot only. Can you refresh your tape? I'm gonna do the same
Yeah,
for
it's
mine.
right there.
No, I mean like swap another stock and then go back because one of us is wrong. You are like she's seeing sizes here. No, one of us, one of our tapes are wrong. Is
Nope,
wrong.
still there.
So yeah, it's still another. So this is the tape you are looking at. This is if you see here is the last one is Arca. So if you see 865, I have 151. 860, 111. Now I have 500.
Now you've got your
Yeah,
5.
now I got 500.
Now it just showed up.
Yeah, now it show up. Normally it's my tape that is fucked up, you know.
Which is weird.
It's very
right?
weird because I supposed to have deeper than you. Like, but yeah, whatever. Thanks
Yeah,
God that you're
whatever.
able to see it.
When Max almost by. Like a patient that
What's up, laddie?
Hola, Bloody.
Oh yeah, that was so long ago.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's an hour ago.
Oh, I don't see it, so. I used to see it.
I can put it. Yeah.
Oh, no, Davey, come on.
yeah, it's been 1 hour that she didn't work because she was waiting for you to take the morning.
Let's hope not.
Oh yeah. You know, I actually don't think that she have that luxury right there right now. I think she have a lot of work to do. So
Yeah, they've got a lot.
yeah, it's
right?
pretty cool
A
stuff. You know, it's like
lot of projects.
my guy. I told you it's just this is a car related thing. It's not about the subject. I met the guy in the gas station with a brand new Ferrari. You know about that? I told you like the story about the guy, we don't have to give you much details, something like, but just like, what would you say to somebody that is telling you that your car is nice while he's driving a just brand new Ferrari? You know, it's like he's a very nice guy, very cool, and but it's like he say, oh, your car is very fun too, and I say, oh, nice of you. Like he say, have you take it to the track? And I say, no, yet I didn't have any time, but yeah.
I'm gonna be that guy.
You're gonna be that guy. Yeah, I know, but with a Porsche.
Yeah. I was gonna say that was my first car. Really nice car.
Yeah. Which is literally that's his first car. That Zach's first car is is the FRS. It's your
It's a
second?
what?
Actually,
Ah, it's your second. Okay.
You what?
but like the other one, I had it for like 2 months.
Oh, it's true. Like yeah, you got it was a Honda Civic.
Yeah.
I don't see you driving a Honda Civic, but yeah. Yeah.
It was starting to have problems.
Mhm. And it was a red one, no? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Look at you.
And it was during like the time that car prices were really low.
Yeah, right before COVID.
Mine, and I said, fuck it.
Yeah.
met the guy. I met the guy. Not met, but on the road. There was a speaker in front of the other car.
Mm-hmm.
Like really low tail lights. Like you see that the car is really low. Like ooh, that's a Lamborghini or something like that.
Uh-huh.
Like I needed to turn, so I get in the other lane. I go like right by him. Like we're waiting for the light side by side, and it was a McLaren
Ay, ay,
720S.
ay. Yeah.
And it was funny. I read my car, and he didn't look at me. So I was like, you won't read it. And then I hear like,
Yeah.
like freaking like, you know, like hypercar rev, like, you know,
Yeah, it's like,
smooth revs. Like,
Did everybody tremble with the
it's
revving?
like very smooth rev and of a V8 or it's a twin turbo V8.
yeah, like very, very high-pitched noise of those engines. It's like the guy that, like, I was telling Marie, like, and they have a construction around work. Like, apparently, I don't know if he's the owner or he has something to see, but it's a guy. Oh, I told you too, you were here. Like the guy being robbed, but I'm driving a BRC and he has a Porsche. It's like, my guy, like, it's very clear that I have nothing to show you, you know?
Well, you say that, but yeah, BRC. Same with Ion. They're very nice, right?
Yeah, but like,
They're beautiful cars.
like power-wise, like, it makes no sense.
Oh,
Like,
well,
it's
you
like-
worked racing with them.
Oh, at least not the way we have it, because we have, like, mine is kind of stock yet, you know, so, but, and I say yet, yeah, I did say yet. Like, do you know that, like, one of the best drifter right now, actually, Dominican, and he's not racing in Dominican Republic anymore, he's racing everywhere, but Dominican, well, he raced there too, but the car that he picked is our car, like, he raced, he won a lot of championship with the last, like without our body, but now he have the new one. He has the Toyota version. He have the.
But does he have the LS swap motor?
I don't know what swap he has, but like I can send it to you. But he's very famous. Like I'm pretty sure you maybe like you almost see that car somewhere else. Dominican. Number 1, Dominican
I'm so crazy.
drift driver. Yeah, it's this guy. That's the guy. And that's our car. That's his car.
Hmm.
So in the past he had like the same. It's the same wrapping because. They get like it's commercial, very commercial. But his name is man, he's in the Formula Drift, like Jonathan Castro. Like let's see if we find a like in YouTube we're gonna be able to find a video. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry.
Zachary?
Yeah, like, you know why he's saying that? Because look at the bounce. Look at the bounce of his price.
Wow.
Like a spy print, 4 cents above his price.
Fantastic. I love it. Oh, there's a super stack. 670.50.
But like, if you see, what is it doing is fighting with your level. Like right now, yes.
Yeah, the
it's
640.
Knapsack.
Yeah.
Is,
671.40.
I won't liquidate here unless he go above 671.40. If he go above 71.40 and hold above, I will be out of this trade, even if it doesn't get me out.
But just for the confident thing, I said it right now, but I'm not sure it will hold. I hope it will.
Oh, it looks quite well, you know, like quite good. Like quality of the bounce there, 3 cents is pretty good.
I got stepped out on the hole.
It's just like there is no water that can come down this fire in the stocks. Like, I mean, it's like everything is selling off so much. Like SPY is trying, but I don't see Nvidia trying. I don't see PLTR trying. I don't see nothing trying to go higher. So SPY is alone right now. And like in the theory, equities drive the index, not the index drive the equity. So yeah, rejected Marie's prices by the penny one more time. Then I can repeat the joke if he does the same at mad price.
Okay.
Maybe it's karma getting back to.
Oh no, there is no karma in there because you haven't done anything wrong, my guy. It's just fun.
The karma of being cocky.
Come on. We all get a little bit of that at some point.
Healthy cockiness.
Yeah. And you don't want to be in the opposite side of that. There is not much value to doing that thing, so. And if ever you get there, you have people like us that love you and that believe a lot in you. So don't stress about it.
Aw. Aw.
Can you mute the channel?
Yes, my guy. Yeah. So I only trade Nvidia today. I had lack of patience here, but like I'm all out right now. That's a nice trade. So this is, you see, there is a lot of execution there, but this is just one trade. So I went short here in the bottom here at 195.50. Then at 196 I let it go way too far, but I kind of knew what I had on my hands. And like I decided, okay, the worst have passed right now. Let's see what can happen here. So then it dropped a lot here. I took a partial. Then I add. Then it dropped a lot again. I took a partial. I add. Then it dropped a lot again. I took a partial. And then I say, you know what? Good is good. So let's be all out. So I am willing to take a trade to hold for the afternoon, but I'm gonna have to be very picky, very careful in what I pick, because I will be sacrificing just a bit of the profit in there for whatever wants to happen during the afternoon. I'm gonna have to read the tape. I'm gonna have to really look at my levels and see which trade I want to hold for the day. If there is no trade that I want to hold for the day, there is no trade to hold for the day. I'm okay with that too, you know. So it's just like let's figure that out. So, but yeah, very good day here, very green. I'm green the whole week. Like I have red day, it was Monday, and it was barely flat, you know. So like yeah, like no complaints about that. So fantastic week here. So building confidence little by little. Let's try to be a better trader. So what about you, Marie?
Well, for me, I only traded Snap, and I stayed in that trade way too long. So I took Snap practically at the open, and I saw it as a long. So I was testing the de-risk and risk and de-risk to try to stay to the pullback of the 8th. And that's when it got me out. But right now it seems to be consolidating at the 795.8.
Mm-hmm.
So it could be that, like right now I've got a small position at 798, but I should have got out, so that was a lack of discipline. I definitely should have got out and then re-entered with the stop loss. So for me to de-risk and risk, obviously I was able to get a good price, but way too many shares for the pullback to the 8th.
Okay.
If that makes any sense.
Okay, understood. So yeah, that happens
that was,
once in a while. So
It happens
So-
once in a while, absolutely.
like
So, but yeah, we had really good discussions this morning, and it was a really good morning.
yeah, very productive day in
Overall.
general.
Yeah, I find that too.
It's,
I find that too. And then we'll see. You know,
Yeah.
I don't think that I like Snap. It was really, it could have been a really good trade, but the lack of discipline. I only took one partial there, so that was just a lack of discipline, for
Okay.
sure. For sure. And then we'll see what we're going to be doing. Am I going to be holding a trade, or you
Mhm.
know, we'll see. But right now, definitely a possibility of a pullback, right? Because it broke so many levels for Snap, it could definitely retest the PCL. So
All right, all right. What about you, Zach?
For me, I traded I went long on Snap at the view up.
Okay,
It went a bit higher, then it broke a view up and stepped me out.
okay,
So yeah. It's okay, I had the risk calculated and you know, it could have run higher, so I took the chance. Then I went, when SPY dipped, I went long at 675.10 in the morning.
Mhm.
It broke lower, so I got stepped out. I didn't have a full position, so only a quarter of a position, I think.
okay,
It broke, and I had a level where a range from 675, 77 to 674, 37. So it broke that range, and then based on my rule, it can break a range far, and then it retests, and you can go
The other way. Okay.
but then it retests on the VWAP. So it retests the range, the VWAP plus 675 almost. So it's close to it. So I went short there, small position at first. I did when it moved in my favor, and then moved my stop loss closer and added again. To catch the big move. Like,
And Davey, look at you. You won the level.
First
On
time.
Spy, you
First
won
time
the level.
on an eternity.
You won the level.
so yeah, I caught the big move short.
Really good move. Good trade.
Yeah, because I remember you got the short from the VWAP initially here, close to the VWAP.
Mhm.
And look at that beautiful thing.
So I partial out gradually, and then I got out everything when it was trying to, when it wasn't able to break the, like, I want a 670.88.
Mm-hmm.
Then because it wasn't able to break the 670.88, I went long and got stepped out at 677.
Okay.
I was aiming for it to break the 672 and to get to VWAP again.
Okay.
Maybe what happened later, but and if it would have worked, that shit was tight stop loss and
Yeah.
out of shares.
Very nice. Like I want to say something like related to those bets that we had, like those levels. Like forgetting about who is right or who was right and things like that. Have you guys seen how much it interact in each level?
I know. It's beautiful,
Like
right?
it's like if all of us were kind of right at some point, but like you know, like this is Sac. The
Take
first
flip.
line is Sac here. No, the first Sac
No,
is
it's
the
mine.
first line here is Marie. The second is Sac, and the third is mine.
Mm-hmm.
So I am always having the farthest side.
Always.
Because I seem to be
You're
an extremist, you know?
Always. Always.
So Sac's one rule, like right now, is acting as a rejection point. Is it gonna be rejection for too long? We will see. But what that say to me is that we can take trade out of them. Like we could like right now, we could take a short here. If it works, you do good. If it doesn't work, you get step out with one loss.
Right?
Once they break above, we can look for the other way, like the other direction. So yeah, so pretty cool Sac. Good management there too, from what I can hear.
Mm-hmm. Really good trading.
Be happy with the, like, what I'm happy with is catching those moves on SPY. It's hard. Like, not hard, but like, you know, you need to catch big moves to make money on SPY.
And at some point, I'm pretty sure you can translate that to probably SPXL or something like that, or even SPXU,
Or TQ.
What I want to do is,
TQQ2, yeah.
the best way I found is trading futures. Like I said to you.
Yeah, that's what my friends trade. They make big money eventually, though they lose big money too eventually. But when they say an unexpected loss, normally it's a big unexpected loss. But
Okay.
Yeah, but for me it would be the same as trading. Like, I always have my stop loss. The only thing is because it's expensive,
Mhm.
you need to buy at least one contract.
Yeah, and there is no partialing
Yeah.
unless you have
No
a partial.
partialing, but maybe that's good for me because I partial too soon.
Okay.
But no partialing and like I cannot have $10 risk. I need to have like from what I see it's like 30 to 50, depending on how wide I put it.
Yeah, I know I'm extending the conversation here, but like that's my fault. Like, you know what I think, Zach? Like, and this I'm doing this practice more and more. Like the ATR for whatever useless or not. Like when you see a stock doing a 3 times ATR in the opposite direction, then I consider myself wrong in there for good. But like what I'm saying, like in the last 6 months, probably, even with the wild market that we are experimenting here, if you take a 5-minute ATR on anything, nothing have been able to put it 3 times. So what I mean is like for your stop loss idea that you are saying like $10, like probably for you to say this $10 will be like a 3 ATRs together. Okay, that doesn't make sense. How many ATR have been done already, and how many ATRs I can handle from here as a stop loss? But like I'm not suggesting even you to use the ATR. It's just saying like when I look at that number, like basically it's telling me between probably some days like if the ATR is very high, it's $1 for certain stock. Like $200 stock is $1. But then if the ATR is very low, like you can play with 25 cents, 15 cents, and like that seems to be reliable. So, but yeah, that point need to be clear where you are wrong. It cannot be bigger than what you are willing to make. Cool. So that's it, guys.
That's it.
Okay. So I hope everybody have a good one. I hope everybody have good trading today. And if you don't have good trading, don't worry. Tomorrow we're gonna get it back.
Day.
It's another day. So everybody enjoy your day. Enjoy your afternoon. Yeah, watch out. There might be some snow coming out soon. Like we may have snow soon. So are you ready for that? I'm not ready though.
Friday and next Friday.
Friday, yeah. Like for us, I think it's Monday.
Okay.
It's before maximum Monday. Maybe it's Friday too. I don't know. But I know it's very close. I hear people talking about it. I just want to ignore it for as long as I can.
Next week here,
Yeah.
like 4 times this stuff.
Oh my gosh. It's just horrible.
Winter is coming.
Yeah, I have to get in the mindset.
Yes.
So, all right. So we're gonna close the channels first, and then we do SAC. So what is the cursor here? What are you? There we go. There you are. Okay. Have a good one, everybody. We're gonna be here tomorrow. Bye.